Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best gadgets for you. Today, we're diving into the best Apple AirPods Pro charging case replacement. If you've been searching for a reliable, wireless charging case for your AirPods Pro first or second generation, look no further. This is exactly what you need. Whether you're replacing a lost case or just want a backup, this product promises to deliver top-notch performance. Right off the bat, this charging case is designed specifically for AirPods Pro first and second generations. It's compatible with both models, ensuring that you get seamless charging functionality no matter which version of AirPods you own. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is the build quality. The case feels sturdy and premium, with a hard shell that protects your AirPods Pro from bumps and scratches. It also has a sleek, simple white finish that blends perfectly with the clean Apple aesthetic. One of the standout features of this charging case is its Bluetooth pairing. When you first use it, you'll need to sync the case with your device, but from then on, it automatically connects to your AirPods Pro the moment you open it. It's simple, hassle-free, and works just like the original. No more fiddling with settings every time you need to connect your AirPods. Just pop them in, and you're ready to go. Battery life is another major selling point. This charging case has a large battery capacity, providing up to 24 hours of additional listening time. That means you can keep your AirPods Pro charged throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. In fact, the case can charge your AirPods up to 5 times, so you can enjoy hours of music or calls before needing to recharge the case itself. When it comes to recharging the case, you have two options. You can either use a cable or take advantage of the wireless charging feature. Both options are quick and efficient. In just 5 minutes of charging, you can get up to an hour of listening time, making it perfect for those moments when you're in a rush. Plus, if you have a wireless charger lying around, you can just drop the case on it and let it charge while you go about your day. Another great feature is the built-in pairing and sync button, which is simple to use and ensures your AirPods Pro stay connected without any hassle. Plus, with its compact size and light weight, the case won't take up much space in your bag, making it a great option for on-the-go use. The case is built for portability, and the size is perfect for slipping into any pocket or bag. But perhaps the most impressive part of this case is the customer service. The manufacturer offers excellent after-sales support, ensuring that if you encounter any issues, they're resolved quickly and efficiently. This adds extra peace of mind, knowing that you're supported if something goes wrong. Overall, the wireless charging case replacement for AirPods Pro first and second generation is an affordable, high-quality solution for anyone looking to replace their Apple charging case. With seamless Bluetooth pairing, impressive battery life, quick charging, and the added convenience of wireless charging, this product is a must-have for AirPods Pro owners. So if you're in the market for the best charging case, this one's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech, and as always, thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.